Hi, I'm Ange, and welcome to In My Genes. This is my brand new channel, and I am so excited to have finally made it. It's only been stuck in my head for about 5 or 6 years and wondering what would be the best way to make the channel that I wanted to make. And maybe you can understand that feeling. Maybe you've always thought, someday I'm going to figure out my family history. Someday I'll sit down and build that tree. But it gets confusing and sometimes overwhelming and complicated. If that's you, this channel is for you. I made this channel for you. So hit subscribe and join me. On this channel, you will find playlists made up of lessons that build on each other, step by step, taking you from complete beginner all the way into more advanced genealogical concepts. I will show you how to research your family history properly, confidently, in a way that actually feels fun. That's that's the joy of genealogy. It's not just like sitting there and reading an encyclopedia. You're learning about people who, if they hadn't lived their lives the way they did, you wouldn't have been born. And that's an amazing thing to learn about. So I'm really excited to work with you, to learn about your family right alongside you. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's discover what's in your genes, one branch at a time.